Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Node.js app and backend API inside today we need to create here the current active writes. We need to get this here for the both users. First of all, so we need to identify here. So writes is active or not. So we need to check this here. Give this here the API names home to write down here request response. Now need to call this here the helper.dlog request.body and where request object is equal to request.body. Now need to check here the access tokens. Pass here the request.headers. Then response object need to give this here, and now need to return here the if user is valid, then to get this here the valid user informations need to get here these callback functions. Now need to write down first of all need to no need say here checking any parameters because need to this is the home APIs. Now need to check this here get information for the active writes. Write down here the DB query and to write here select star from not star from to write down here booking ID then booking status user ID driver ID. Now need to write down here the where booking detail as need to give this here the alias BD. Use this here copy here like this set here. Now write down here the where conditions need to write here where BD status booking status not BD status less than question mark and BD dot booking status more than question mark like this adds here for these conditions and do right here user ID and driver ID. Need to check here first of all user ID column is equal to first of all need to give this here if login as a user then to user ID where if now need to check here user type user object dot user type equal to driver then to pass this here user column ID is equal to driver ID. Like this need to settings here and configures here these columns and write down here and to concat this query here question mark. Now to use this here user column like this, you need to set here the conditions. Otherwise you can write like this directly conditions. Need to copy here. Do this here, user ID. Otherwise no need like these conditions. Define like this. You need to write here the ternary operator conditions and to apply this here. Now we need to pass this here the parameters. First of all, need this here the smaller than complete. Need to write down here the bs dot complete, then bs dot accept. Need to check here the accept types. Need to write down here the pending, more than pending, not pending. Bs pending, bigger than pending the status. Then to get this here the list, and we need to write down here the limit set here 1 like this sets here. Now need to write down here the errors results. Need to get here, get this here the informations for these functions. Now need to check here if get any errors, then to throw this here the error helper.dlog errors and response objects, and to return these functions like this. Need to setting here. Now need to check here if results length more than 0, and like this, else part like this. Now need to write down here the where response object is equal to like this. We set here status payload not set here. Maybe need to dashboard. Now set here the blank. Maybe need to check here the designs if you run app. Not running here, not an issue. No needs here, maybe need to use this here directly to pass here. Object respond.json and to pull this here. This here, give this here payload is equal to write down here the brackets inside running, and give this here results here like this, and to pass this here. Same as need to copy here, paste this here, brackets like this. Maybe like this. Commit here. Need to get this here fetch this booking information. Details and to pass this here the request or result 0 booking ID. Then after to give this here the user types need to if here user type is equal to drivers, then to pass this here qt users, maybe need to check here the conditions first of all. To pass here the directly these types user active types, you need to given this here user like this. Then to get this here the results status result, if status not equal to 0, but here's and to paste this here's uncomment this code, and to get this here the results once data we need to pass this here's, maybe no need this here's, so need to check like this here. Like this sets here, these objects are the creating here for the blank objects. Clear this here, these errors. Like this need to return here the responding and to save this here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.